Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
First, ensure that the hot and cold water valves are fully open. Both hot and cold inlet hoses must be connected for the washer to operate correctly. Ensure that the hoses are not kinked, which can restrict water flow. Are they connected correctly? Ensure the hot red hose is connected to the hot red water valve and the cold blue hose is connected to the cold blue water valve. The inlet screens on the washer can become clogged from the mineral buildup or from capturing other debris in the water. If they appear to be clogged, without removing the screen, clean them with a small brush, mild soap, and water. The water supply hoses can get clogged by mineral buildup or other debris in the water. With the hoses uninstalled from the washer, run water through the hoses. If the water does not flow completely through the hose or the water stream seems to be restricted, it is recommended the hose be replaced. Make sure the drain hose is installed correctly, 4.5 inches in the pipe. Check that the top of the drain is at least 39 inches high, as measured from the floor. If the drain is below 39 inches, the water will start to flow out of the machine due to gravity. Be sure there's no anti-flood device installed. The washer should be directly connected to the water supply for optimum machine performance. If your model has the option to choose a water level, you can choose to have a deep water wash or auto sensing. If you would like the machine to automatically sense the appropriate water level for the load size and type, turn the water level knob to the auto sensing setting. If you would like to add the maximum amount of water to your water cycle, turn the water level knob to the deep water wash setting. Expect longer cycle times due to extended fill times when using the deep water wash option. Were you using bulky cycle, which is available on some models? Cycle time may be longer during water fill when using the bulky cycle, depending on the load size. The bulky cycle uses a series of fills while agitating. It may appear that there is not enough water to wash a bulky load, but the washer will continue to add water while its sensors monitor the load. It could take up to 10 to 12 minutes to fill.